Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics, to the latest hits, local news and events happening around town, giveaways, and lots of musti. This is Namaste Radio. Every Sunday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on 1050 a.m. Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
आ गया है महाराजा भोग में मैंगो फेस्टिवल, आमरस का स्वाद महाराजा भोग के साथ.
Different kinds of unlimited mango items on the menu every day.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes भी available हैं. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty only at Maharaja Bhog.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is now open. Masks are required and appointments are welcome.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, call or text 856-693-8970. That's 856-693-8970. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram.
Though the times are uncertain, let's savor our little moments. Moments of families being together. Moments like when your favorite meal arrives at Allings or at your home. Little moments matter the most, and Allings is here to make those moments happen. Allings Chinese, open for dine-in, delivery and takeout. Open to make those moments. Visit us at allingschinese.com.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है. हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868. गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे. डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे. तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868. जय श्री गणेश.
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
వింటూ ఉండండి మీ ఇష్టమైన మ్యూజిక్ ఛానల్ నమస్తే రేడియో.
That's right. Welcome back to Namaste Radio, 10:50 a.m. on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. Don't forget, you can also listen to us online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download our iPhone or Android apps, available on Amazon Alexa products, and also watch us on the live stream on our Facebook page and also on namasteradiohouston.com. This segment just got even better because now I'm joined by Sabki favorite, Vanchika. Woohoo! And Houston ka hero, Sushil.
Namaste.
Namaste, everyone. How is everyone doing?
I'm doing the fine.
You're doing the fine.
The fine, yes.
सुशील आपसे भी पूछ ही लेते हैं on air. How are you doing?
Hi.
Very nice.
वैसे सबसे पहले तो आप सबको बहुत सारी अच्छी क्या बोलते हैं फेस्टिवल्स की शुभकामनाएं. लास्ट वीक हम लोग यहाँ पे नहीं थे, तो अगेन ईद मुबारक एंड हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन. एंड जैसे कि अगर आप हमें फेसबुक लाइव पे देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे आज आई फाइनली गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टाई राखी टू संदीप. संदीप अपना हाथ दिखाओ. ही
2.5 किलो का हाथ दिखाओ.
और मैं सबको बता दूं, हमारे पास यहाँ पे मिठाइयाँ भी हैं. सो इफ यू ऑल वांट, यू आर मोर देन वेलकम टू कम एंड जॉइन अस इन आवर स्टूडियो टुडे.
बस एड्रेस मत देना.
बस एड्रेस नहीं दूंगी क्योंकि मिठाई सुशील को खानी है. एंड और क्या हो रहा है आज? कुछ भी नहीं, आगे बढ़ते हैं.
आज हुआ ना.
बट बिफोर इससे पहले कि हम अपनी स्पेशल गेस्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस करें, मैं बताती चलूँ दैट दिस पार्ट ऑफ द शो इज ब्रॉट टू यू बाय क्लासी दीवा सैलून एंड स्पा. They are back and they have opened the salon, so I'm so happy. Good luck, congratulations Ruby. We'll see you very soon. They are open Tuesday to Friday 2 to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday 12 to 6 p.m. Masks are required and appointments are required too. तो आप जल्दी कॉल करिए रूबी को at 856-693-8970. Classy Diva Salon and Spa in Katy. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram. And Ruby से हम बात भी करेंगे आज 3 बजे. So 3 बजे भूलेगा नहीं है. I try to act like Sushil at times.
3 बजे. अहिला 3 बजे.
Exactly. और सबको एक और बात बता दूं, संदीप ने मुझे गिफ्ट भी दे दिया है. सो थैंक यू संदीप.
See, I didn't run away.
नहीं, लास्ट वीक ये एक्चुअली भाग गया था, लेकिन ये ड्राइव करके गया था और मस्ती करने गया था. ऑफ कोर्स फैमिली के साथ टाइम बिताना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
ये कौन सी फैमिली है भाई जिनके साथ तुम मस्ती करते रहते हो? हमें भी इंट्रोड्यूस किया करो कभी ऐसी फैमिली से.
And I thought you were family.
राइट.
Yes.
No.
And now, Sandeep, now
Yes, ma'am.
let us introduce this beautiful woman who वैसे तो लोग जानते ही हैं इनको क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम से हम बार इनके बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड ये रिसेंटली जो इतना वायरल हो गया वीडियो महाराजा भोग का, इतनी फेमस है कि इनके वजह से हमारा वीडियो वी गॉट ऑलमोस्ट 5,000 व्यूज ऑन दैट. सो वी आर ऑनर्ड एंड सो हैप्पी टू हैव Charu Palkam Shetty in our studio. Welcome Charita Charu.
Welcome Charu.
Thank you.
So Charu will tell a little bit about herself for sure, but before that let me just say thank you for being such a big support of Namaste Radio.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you. Muchísimas gracias.
Yes. फैमिली हमारी जो है, जो 1 साल हमारा हो गया है, उन्होंने हर शो देखा है. लेकिन जो फैमिली के अलावा यहाँ पे बैठी हैं, उन्होंने भी हमारा हर शो देखा है. हमेशा हमें पॉजिटिव फीडबैक देती हैं. कुछ गलत भी होता है तो बताती हैं.
तो बताओ हमने पहले शो पे क्या किया था.
So welcome Charu, and for me she's not only a friend but she's more like my real sister. मेरी real sister कोई है नहीं, लेकिन Charu, if you can say she's my real sister. And
आप दोनों भी राखी बांध सकते हैं.
yes, और उतना ही हमेशा प्यार दिया है.
वाह डैडी.
सपोर्ट किया है. यहाँ पे थोड़े जोक्स चल रहे हैं, लेकिन वेलकम चारू, वेलकम टू नमस्ते रेडियो.
Thank you. Namaste, everybody. And thank you so much for having me in the show. I am very obliged. I'm very happy. Thank you so much. So, a little bit about myself. I am, some of you have already seen.
I'm Charu.
I'm Charu.
I'm
I
Charita.
am Charita.
So yes, her real name is Charita, which is also so beautiful.
Some people call you Rita as well, right?
No, they don't.
Marita.
Oh, Marita, I'm sorry, yes.
Yes. So, I am a person of many names. That's another topic for another day because it's a big story. But I go by Charu.
Charu Paduma.
Palkam Shetty, na?
No.
Charu Palkam Shetty.
Yes.
I am born and brought up in Dubai, but I'm originally from Hyderabad.
Oh.
Don't ask me any questions about the city of pearls because I don't know. I'm not. I just go there for visiting.
You're the.
उसके लिए आपका husband है.
Yes.
You're from the city of Habibis.
Habibi.
Yes.
Hey, have you been to Dubai, Deep?
Yes, I have. Yes.
Sushil, you've been to Dubai?
डूबने गया था मैं दुबई.
You've been there?
हाँ. Of course I've been to Dubai.
लालत है मुझ पे. I'm the only
It's not
one.
Dubai. It's Dubai.
Dubai. Oh, Dubai.
The desert tour.
I'm the only one who
Desert
has not
safari.
been to
Desert safari.
Dubai.
Dubai.
I'm the only one who's not been to Dubai.
Okay.
अबे ये कौन सा भाई है तेरा?
I know.
दुबई.
Why are you pointing at me?
सब तेरे
Husband right
भाई है,
there.
don't worry.
So Sheila's right there. He's the one you should be taking.
Dubai. Right now, I don't think it's a good time to take travel anywhere. No?
Anywhere,
No
right?
way.
Yes, absolutely not. And especially Dubai, the reason she's saying bye because bhai hai वहाँ पे.
भाई है.
Why do you think I'm looking this way? I look the opposite way.
तो और
Yeah.
चारू बताइए फिर अपने बारे में। और आप हैदराबाद से भी हैं, आप दुबई से भी हैं, यहाँ पे कितने सालों से हैं?
हैदराबाद का चार मीनार बाबा.
हाउ मियाँ?
How?
That is something you have to. My father-in-law talks so much, like how he just spoke. It's amazing.
Wow.
But I'm
Hyderabad.
not. Yes, the Hyderabadi slang is amazing.
हाँ.
But I've been in Dubai for 17 years. Got married and came here in 2003.
ओहो, शादीशुदा
Yes.
आई थी.
शादीशुदा आई थी.
शादी करके
So-
आई थी शुदा. What is शुदा?
I don't know बोलते हैं. So Sandeep, I don't know if you know. Before
He's
we
not
get
married.
into a song, and I want to say the first time I ever met Charu, we were
She
in
was
a
married.
party. This was
Oh my goodness, this is hilarious.
this was 2003,
Okay, I'll keep
and this was 2003. I am in a party, and I had just come from India. I'd moved
Okay.
from Bangalore to Houston,
Chi.
and whatever.
बच्ची थी. She was a baby.
एंड मैं एक पार्टी में गई, उधर एक बंदा बहुत हैदराबाद के बारे में बहुत चीचिंग कर रहा था. आई वाज लाइक हेल दिस
घमंड,
हैदराबाद.
बहुत घमंड से बात कर रहा
घमंड
था.
के साथ, क्योंकि वो भी एक लियो है.
भाई अगर बिरयानी की बात करते तो करेक्ट, हैदराबाद की बिरयानी बहुत अच्छी होती है.
Yeah.
तो
known for
मैं
the
उधर
biryanis.
गई एंड आई स्टार्टेड लाइक raving about Bangalore, and we both had an argument. And how this is the first time I'm seeing this man. And I'm like, after that, I'm like, whatever. And I was a 17-year-old rebellious kid. I had all that attitude. I went, sat to corner of the corner में जाके,
Had is
and then
more like have.
to bed. And then this beautiful lady comes, sits next to me, and we're talking. And then suddenly, she's like, so people here. I said, I don't know much. I know I'm here with my parents.
Do you have
I live.
friends? You know people?
No,
Yeah.
no, I live with my parents, and then my parents were there too in the party. And I told her, but whoever that guy there is, no, he's such a stubborn, मतलब बदतमीज आदमी. So she says, trust me, I know, I've been married to him.
Oh wow.
So
That is how we got introduced, and we had a good laugh.
So summary of the story, Sandeep, for you, Idli Dosa was fighting with mutton biryani,
Yeah.
and then mutton biryani came to console Idli Dosa and saying it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah.
No, we came biryani ने truce किया. But yes, that is how Charu and I and her husband Ritish we met. So
Wow.
and ever since
That's a
then
great
it's been
story till now.
a great story. But बातें होती रहेंगी. हम सबसे पहले अपने एक सॉन्ग ब्रेक की तरफ चलते हैं, and we will come back with our Bollywood gupshup.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है. जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तू दूर, तब से सारे जीवन के सपने हैं चूर. जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तू दूर, तब से सारे जीवन के सपने हैं चूर. आँखों में नींद ना, मन में चैना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है.
ये संदीप ने फाइनली मेरे लिए कोई प्यारा सा गाना बजाया.
Fine. What do you mean finally? I always play good songs. What are you talking about?
वैसे तो तुम लड़कियों के लिए बजाते रहते हो, बहन के लिए कहाँ गाना बजाते हो?
हो गया ना? One song, yes. Good for 1 year.
But आज आगे बढ़ते हैं. हमारा जो
Also,
ये
the gift's
segment
good for
है.
1 year. That means birthday is bypassed.
No.
Okay.
Only Raksha Bandhan.
Only Raksha
Let it be very
Bandhan.
clear.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's true.
Okay.
So, moving forward, हम लोग अभी अपने बॉलीवुड गपशप के तरफ बढ़ते हैं आगे.
Okay.
And so Charu, today Charu is going to, she's presenting the Bollywood gupshup. तो
Awesome.
मैंने बोला चलो मेरी छुट्टी हुई.
You can take a break for some time.
Yes. So tell us about what is happening in Bollywood.
I want to start off with his favorite PC.
Oh.
Used to be. Sorry.
Used to be?
Disclaimer.
Oh my goodness.
So if you get married, it's out of his list.
Oh,
So,
I get it. Gotcha. So, as per to HQ's Instagram's HQ, I'm not sure if you know that Priyanka Chopra is actually being paid $289,000 for each post. That's equal to 2.16 crores in India.
it's like a 5-minute
That's-
job.
Exactly. It's less than 5 minutes. Just go put the picture and say click, send.
So why she could do like 10 a day, or is there
And
a
that's-
limit? Or what? If that were me, I'd be posting like.
You know, it would be nice if they do put limits because this is like crazy.
I'm sure they have.
I'm sure. Yeah. They probably have once a week or something
I
like
was
that.
like flabbergasted when I
Yeah.
saw that. I was like, what? And not only that, guess who tops the list in Hollywood?
The Rock.
The Rock.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, he makes $1,015,000
per post.
per post. That's like 7.6 crores, y'all.
Dang it.
He's earned it. He's definitely earned it.
He is.
Yeah.
He is. I think he is the sweetest inside. He looks like the Rock from outside, but from in, he is such
He's a
naram,
teddy bear,
soft.
na?
Ew, he's
Yeah.
such a
Big-
cuddly.
yeah.
You should see his posts with his daughters. They are so
I've
cute.
seen that he was trying to post. I think I did
The
mention
hand
it.
wash.
No, he was putting a drink together on Mother's Day, and his daughter won't leave the screen. And he's like, "Oh yeah," he's making a drink for his mother, and the daughter saying, "Daddy, I want to get those flowers."
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
No, the latest one I saw was he was teaching her how to sing the song from the Moana, washing their hands for 20
Oh, wow.
seconds.
Oh,
That was the
so
cutest I've seen.
cute.
It was
I've seen
very
that in the
cute.
bathroom, right?
In the bathroom.
Yeah. I'm a Dwayne Johnson fan. I mean, forever. तब हम बचपन में वो कार्ड्स भी खेलते थे when he was actually The Rock, you know,
The
the
wrestler.
WWE.
The wrestling,
yeah.
the wrestling
The wrestler,
cards.
okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's
Yeah.
true.
But I don't know if he's. I think I'm like, why? Okay, so he can get along with everybody else, but why not Vin Diesel? Because now the Fast and Furious thing is kind of split. Now, right?
You
That's
think
strange.
so?
It is, yeah.
I
That's
think
why he did Hobbs and Shaw and. All that.
Oh, sad.
Yeah.
But they were a good pair.
Yeah.
They were a very good pair
Let's
when
see.
they did. So upcoming, should we talk about the upcoming releases? The new.
Yeah.
Yes, let's start with it.
All right. So I'm sure one of you. I know that last time you'd already mentioned about Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl.
Yeah.
We have my favorite and Sushil's favorite, Sridevi's daughter in it, Janvi Kapoor.
Janvi Kapoor. Okay.
No nepotism going on. Just cheering for Sridevi's daughter.
There, look. You said Sridevi.
You say Shri Devi and Sushil जी प्रकट हो गए स्टूडियो में.
Yeah.
श्रीदेवी जी और सुशील जी प्रकट हो गए. What do you mean by
So
that?
she's talking
वो तो
about
बेचारी
the
ऊपर है.
upcoming
I
release
know.
of Gunjan Saxena, her daughter.
अब-
So she
Janvi Kapoor.
जानवी कपूर.
she took your name too. Yes.
Yes.
जानवी took my name.
Charu took
वो
your
चारू took my name. Okay.
Yeah.
दिल देखा जानवी कपूर took my name. सुशील के तो मतलब भाग खुल गए.
वो तो महाराजा भोग में जाके खुलते हैं हमारे भाग.
So yes, Gunjan Saxena, हमने इसके बारे में बात करी थी, and it is the Kargil girl. It is a Hindi biography, and but it's releasing next week. You said?
Yes, it's coming. It's releasing out on August 12th.
Is it on like Hotstar or Prime or?
You know, they haven't mentioned it yet, but I'm assuming
Probably
that
Hotstar.
it maybe Hotstar is what I'm assuming also with all the trends that's going on.
Yeah.
Too bad, but
Right.
that's something that I'm looking forward for. And I think it's based on a true story.
It
It
is.
is.
It is. Yeah, it's based on a true story.
Yeah.
Then something else is also coming in Hotstar. I think Hotstar is getting to be the next Netflix kind of a thing
Lakshmi
where all
Bomb.
all the songs are coming in. And this is Alia Bhatt's movie, Sadak 2.
Oh wow, yes.
I remember the
Sadak
Sadak was like the all-time favorite. My generation, मेरे बचपन के time
ये
पे.
मैंने भी देखी है. तेरा बचपन क्या है यार?
मैंने भी
Seriously?
देखी है.
I was looking at the bachchi in the street.
What? Charu, you're like just one month older than me.
Why does she keeps on calling you बच्ची? मतलब क्या है?
you know the
I mean,
relation
then
we
what am
have.
I?
I have no idea. आप लोग का अपना रिलेशन खुद सॉर्ट आउट करो. But yes, Sadak 2 releasing on
August 28th.
Oh, so these are August release on Hotstar.
Hottie Star.
Yes.
And Sadak 2 में कौन है?
Sridevi.
We have,
उसका भूत होगा.
we have Aditya Roy Kapoor. And we have Sanjay Dutt. And we have Alia Bhatt. Really? Sanjay Dutt?
Oh, so by the way, I just heard Sanjay Dutt was in ICU, not COVID related, but he was admitted to ICU yesterday. Baba
Why?
is not
I
feeling
have
well.
no
Was he?
idea.
Did he
Yeah.
test positive?
No,
No,
it's
it's
nothing COVID related.
Nothing
Yeah,
COVID?
nothing COVID
No.
related.
Oh, okay.
He might have tested positive, but probably for something else.
Wasn't
Not
he
COVID.
in the? Wasn't he in the original? The Sadak
Yes,
one?
Yes, he
and
was.
he's in this
Too?
also.
Yes.
Okay.
Probably he's playing the father or something.
Father.
like
And
that.
Pooja Bhatt was there in the first one.
She's in this too, I think.
Okay. No, I didn't look
no.
at that. I
Also
didn't look that
sister-
up. But this is sisters
Sisters
playing
for
the
the first
second
time,
one.
huh?
Yes.
On screen.
So let's get into song, but before the
before
song,
we get into the song, you know, hopefully ये सब चीज़ें आगे बढ़ती जाए, रिलीज होते जाएं, but movies की बात कर रहे हैं साथ साथ में. Hopefully things will get back to normal, but तब तक के लिए श्रद्धा शक्ति कपूर वाली नहीं, आपस में एक श्रद्धा होनी चाहिए, साथ साथ में एक डिवोशन होना चाहिए. एंड वेरी हैप्पी टू अनाउंस दैट श्री सिद्धि गौरी विनायक जो टेम्पल है, दैट इज़ ओपन फॉर ऑल दिस डिवोरीज एट दिस टाइम. जो उनके पंडित जी हैं वो पूजा भी कर रहे हैं, तो इफ़ यू गाइज वांट डू गिव हिम अ कॉल. चाहे सत्यनारायण की पूजा हो या कोई भी कथा हो, गृह प्रवेश हो, बिकॉज द प्रॉपर्टी प्राइस आर रियली गुड राइट नाउ, पीपल आर बाइंग हाउसेस लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर. ही इज़ द राइट गाय. वो विधि विधान से पूरी पूजा करते हैं. उनका नंबर है 8324669868, or you can visit him at the temple, which is located at Hillcroft at 5645 Hillcroft Avenue, Suite 701. Temple timings are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Sunday, and Aarti timing is 5:30 p.m. every day from Monday to Sunday.
लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी हो, लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी, मेरे दर आई कैसी सजी धजी, देखो मेरे पिया की सावरी, जिया से बावरी, मेरे अंगना में देखो आज खिला है चाँद. गे बाजे धुन झम झम झमक झम, तो नाच मन झम झम झमक झम. गे बाजे धुन झम झम झमक झम, तो नाच मन झम झम झमक झम. लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी, मेरे दर आई कैसे सजी धजी, देखो मेरे पिया की सावरी, जिया से बावरी, मेरे अंगना में देखो आज खिला है चाँद. गे बाजे धुन झम झम झमक झम, तो नाच मन झम झम झमक झम. गे बाजे धुन झम झम झमक झम, तो नाच मन झम झम झमक झम. पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा, पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा.
जी हाँ, पिंगा द पोरी पिंगा द पोरी पिंगा द पोरी पिंगा,
Ping,
whatever
ping.
that means. But do ping us on our Facebook page, Namaste Radio, or our Instagram page, Namaste Radio 3. आप सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो. हम आते हैं हर संडे 1 से 5 बजे तक. Vandu, Yernu, Muru, Nalu, Edu, Adu. I don't know if I remember the Kannada correctly. So yes, today we have Charu and she is presenting the Bollywood Gupshup. So we were talking about some upcoming releases. आपने अभी तक हमें बताया है गुंजन सक्सेना के बारे में, which is releasing on Hottie Star on August 12th. Then the Sadak 2 is releasing on Hottie Star on August 28th.
Yes, we have more actually coming up. There is another one that's coming up, which is a Hindi drama releasing on August 14th. And I think there are a lot of movies coming up this month. I hope they actually really do release. It's called Mere Desh Ki Dharti.
क्या? What?
Sandeep, he found someone else too.
I know, I'm not the only one now.
Can you repeat that one more time, please? I didn't hear it.
Bendy.
क्या कहा आपने?
Kaka आपने.
Try to check it.
फिर से.
Okay.
Farma-
Mere Desh
फिर
Ki
से.
Dharti.
Now she said it right.
Yeah.
मेरे क्या?
Desh.
मेरी डिश.
No, I didn't say dish.
No, she
No
didn't.
dish.
I said dish.
मेरे देश की धरती.
ओ मेरे देश की I heard मेरी डिश की धरती.
नहीं, मेरे देश की
मेरे
धरती.
डिश में चैनल्स होते.
नहीं.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is coming up on August the 14th, and we have Anand Vidhat, who is the actor. We have Anupriya
Goenka.
Yes.
Pretty, yeah.
And we have two other people that I'm
Sona.
not even going to attempt.
Inam,
to-
Inamullah.
The only thing he notices, she's
Yeah.
pretty.
She's pretty.
That's what he has to do. He's single.
I know.
Why are you beating him
Thank
around? See, ladies, he is single.
And ready to mingle.
Mingle.
Only with ladies, huh?
Yeah, only strictly ladies.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
Just have to
Disclaimer.
clarify.
Disclaimer. Thank you.
And एक और करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद let's get into our last song of the section.
एक और क्या करते हैं?
मूवी अपकमिंग जो भी ये रिलीज के बारे में बात करी हैं.
So we have what you just did this morning. We have Raksha Bandhan that's coming up.
She's like, what you just did this one? I
You tied Rakhi to your brother.
I woke up at 6:30. I'm like, I did a lot of stuff. I took Simba.
had to wait.
I took Simba
For a walk.
For a walk. No, out for potty also.
No, what you did in the studio with your brother, it's a movie called Raksha Bandhan, and we have Akshay Kumar.
Woohoo!
And I wonder what that movie is going to be like. And it's releasing on November the 5th of this year.
I thought Lakshmi Bomb or something was releasing, right?
उसका अभी
Bomb
तक
is,
100% है, but
नहीं.
Akshay is
It's
not
not sure.
acting in it, right?
Oh.
Is he
not?
acting in it?
I
Oh,
think
he is acting in
yeah,
it.
I think he is.
Okay. I wish Suryavanshi releases.
I know, right? That movie's been ready since March, man.
That's true.
Yeah.
So before we get into the next song, let me remind everybody, and संदीप ने इसके बारे में बोला, ये वीक भी उधर होके आए, चारू मैं और संदीप लास्ट वीक उधर होके आए थे, और आप सब ने वीडियो भी देखा, गरम गरम जलेबियाँ देखी, इतने सारी डिशेस देखी, अनलिमिटेड पूरियाँ हम खा रहे थे, आम रस खा रहे थे. I am talking about Maharaja Bhog, located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. So don't wait guys, आज ही जाइए, या टुगो थाली उधर से लेके जाइए. आमरस पूरी है, इतने सारी चीज़ें हैं. You will not be disappointed. You'll be treated like a king and a queen and your chutmuts if they're going with you also. But remember, when you go there now, you will get 25% off for dine-in, and your bachas below 10 years will eat for free.
right.
And mention Namaste Radio and you'll get jalebi for free.
भगवान जी, I hope आप सुन रहे हो.
आप सुन रहे हैं. So जाइए और महाराजा भोग में अपना मज़े लीजिए. Number है 713-771-2464 and follow them on Facebook and Instagram.
Also, before we get into a break, did you guys see the picture for the poster of KGF 2?
Sanjay
Dutt.
Yeah.
I saw.
Yeah. So
He's Sirkit.
I think that should be. They haven't said the date yet, but I think they were planning December, but I think it's being pushed up because people need stuff to watch right now, right?
That's
Man,
true.
his presentation of the poster is really good.
Yeah.
Very
yeah.
fierce.
That's
I'm
true.
excited to see that. And that it took me a while to watch the first. These guys were all like, "Yeah, you guys
You
should
got
watch
to
it."
watch
but I did watch it and I loved it.
I didn't want to watch it. Sushil forced me and I loved
good
it.
movie.
Yeah.
I didn't force it. I was just watching it and you started to watch it with me.
मैंने तेरे लिए छोड़ा है ज़माना, ज़रा तेरा इरादा तो बता. ऐसे नज़रें तो मुझसे चुराना, ज़रा तेरा इरादा तो बता. छाया है मुझ पे तेरा ही नशा, कम वक्त दिल ये कहाँ जा फंसा. ना तेरी दीवानी तू मेरा दीवाना, समझ ले नजर का इशारा. गली गली में फिरता है तू, क्यों बन के बंजारा.
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. Modern Indian radio.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie, Houston's best restaurant for traditional Indian cuisine. Tandoori specials, poultry, vegetarian items, lamb, seafood, salads, desserts, and much, much more.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie is now open for dine-in with distancing measures for everyone to stay safe. Lunch buffet hours Monday through Friday 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Saturday and Sunday 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Dinner hours 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week. Delivery and to-go options still available. Call Naren's Bombay Brasserie at 713-622-2005. That's 713-622-2005. Located at 3005 West Loop South. Like Naren's Bombay Brasserie on Facebook. Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Though the times are uncertain, let's savor our little moments. Moments of families being together. Moments like when your favorite meal arrives at Arling's or at your home. Little moments matter the most, and Arling's is here to make those moments happen. Arling's Chinese, open for dine-in, delivery, and takeout. Open to make those moments. Visit us at arlingschinese.com.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is now open. Masks are required and appointments are welcome.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, call or text 856-693-8970. That's 856-693-8970. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram. Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
आ गया है महाराजा भोग में मैंगो फेस्टिवल. आमरस का स्वाद महाराजा भोग के साथ.
Different kinds of unlimited mango items on the menu every day.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes भी available हैं. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty only at Maharaja Bhog.
आजा माही आ सोनिया वे आके अज मेरे गल लग जा तू. Yo, this is Man's Music and you are listening to Namaste Radio. Keep it locked right here. Peace.
That's right. क्या जी?
हाँ जी बोलो.
अब मैं क्या जी लॉक कर दिया जा लॉक. और लॉक से गल याद आई जो इनका दोस्त है ना भाई साहब का पप्पू. हाँ तो पप्पू wins a 20 crore lottery from 20 rupees.
Whoa. We don't have to work anymore.
Exactly.
कब बांट रहा है?
हाँ. I know.
अरे ये आगे तो सुनो. ऐसे बांटेगा पप्पू लॉटरी. पप्पू विंस 20 करोड़ की लॉटरी जीत गई उसने 20 रुपए से. तो पप्पू खुश. तो लॉटरी क्लेम करने गया तो डीलर के पास गया जिसे लॉटरी खरीदी थी. तो डीलर ने कहा उसको सब कुछ देख दाख के बाद ही गेव हिम 11 crores आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग टैक्सेस. तो पप्पू भड़क गया और बोला यार देख लॉटरी 20 करोड़ की जीता हूँ. गिव मी 20 crores अदरवाइज गिव माय 20 rupees बैक.
That is Pappu for everybody.
I know that is Pappu for everybody. पागल है ये बंदा लेकिन तभी भी प्यारा है. और वैसे ही हम सबको एक जगह है जो बहुत प्यारी है जहाँ बहुत ही टेस्टी राज कचौरी मिलती है, वड़ा पाव मिलता है.
तुमने कल ही खाना खाया था उधर.
और एग घोटाला मिलता है और क्या क्या मिलता है?
कल मैंने खाया था उधर वड़ा पाव, विच इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट, एग घोटाला, राज कचौरी खाई थी, चिली चिकन खाया था उधर, एंड देन देयर वाज द डोसा दैट दे मेड. व्हाट वाज दैट डोसा?
Namaste dosa.
Namaste dosa बनाया था उन्होंने. That was there, and then there was a Chinese paneer item was there as well that we had.
That was chili paneer. That's true. We are talking about Nirman's Food Boutique. Yes, zarur jaiye. They have thali specials going on, like to go, thali system for 2 people, for 4 people, veg ho, non-veg ho. So call Nirman's Food Boutique at 832-532-0699, located in Sugarland at 16338 Kensington Drive, and follow Nirman's Food Boutique on Facebook and Instagram. And Nirman bhaiya, happy Raksha Bandhan again.
Happy Raksha Bandhan to you too.
आप निर्मल भैया हैं?
उनकी तरफ से मैंने जवाब दिया.
थैंक यू सो मच. सो चारू हमें बता रही थी दोस्तों, यस फेसबुक लाइव पे मुझे छोले भटूरे भी दिख रहे हैं, वाह वाह वाह. सॉरी, चारू हमें बता रही थी दोस्तों कि बॉलीवुड में क्या 2-3 अपकमिंग मूवीज़ हैं. सो चारू, आप 2-3 और बताने वाली थी, बताइए.
Yes, this is something I'm really looking forward for. I'm sure many other people are. This is Hera Peri 3.
Is it coming?
It is upcoming. It is in the make. We have no release dates for the ones that I'm going to mention now. But this is something in the making. We have the same repeat cast. We have Sunil Shetty, Akshay Kumar, and
Shetty?
Really?
Rahul. Now, are you going to like me?
Yes,
teach me on everything I say.
Khiladi is going to be.
Sunil Shetty, Akshay Kumar, and Paresh Rawal. Hey, Baba!
Yes.
I love the way he says, hey, phone rakh!
Rakh teri maa ki, rakh. Phone rakh. You know, long time ago that movie was announced actually, maybe I think 70 years ago. उसमें था अभिषेक बच्चन, अभिषेक बच्चन, सुनील शेट्टी एंड अक्षय कुमार नहीं था उसमें, परेश रावल. The reason the movie got stalled is because they had started shooting. You know Neeraj Vora? Do you remember who he is?
No.
जो उसमें हेरा फेरी 2 में बनता ना, वो पागल की एक्टिंग करता था थोड़ा बहुत, नीरज वोरा. ही इज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेरा फेरी 2 and he was the one who actually wrote the script as well.
Okay.
He had a brain hemorrhage.
Oh, no.
He passed away.
Oh,
so that's why the movie shooting got stalled and never
that's
came out
sad.
right.
Yeah, originally they weren't gonna cast Akshay, right? And 3.
Yeah, in 3, Akshay wasn't there.
I'm
It was
so glad
announced
they
with
did.
Abhishek Bachchan, Paresh Rawal, and Sunil Shetty.
Probably they couldn't afford Akshay anymore, right? I mean,
But I'm glad.
No,
they
Akshay
did.
had a fallout with Sajid Nadiadwala back in those days.
Now probably he came.
They came.
He had a fall in with Sajid Nadiadwala.
No, they made Houseful now after that.
That's what I'm saying. Now he has.
Yeah,
he
because
had
I was
another-
gonna say he's made so many films with Nadiwala, like
He
Yeah.
has.
has
He
to
has.
have made up now. Like,
Yes,
what's that?
absolutely.
हेरा फेरी भी is one of those movies जो मुझे जबरदस्ती दिखाई जाती है.
Hey, how do you लोगों के साथ जबरदस्ती की जाती है in lot of different ways, and I think people know what I'm talking about. How do you do जबरदस्ती with a movie? Like somebody ties your hands and legs or puts toothpicks in your eyes so you don't close it. I love. How do what is
That's
जबरदस्ती?
very good. I need to know too.
See, so a little secret about me. I am a big Bollywood buff and पहले बहुत TV, but
That's
you know
not a
what? I never watch TV until and unless
Yes,
Sushil
that I
has
can
switched it
agree.
on.
You're a big Bollywood buff. You never watch TV.
No, by myself.
Yeah.
By myself. So if I'm alone at home even for 10 days, I would not switch on the TV even for a single second. So मेरे लिए जबरदस्ती होता है, सुशील जब आते हैं, जैसे ही घर आते TV on हो जाता है, and whatever he puts on, I'm watching.
तो ऐसा क्यों था कि तुमने परसों रात को बोला टीवी चला दो, when I didn't want the TV on?
I didn't say anything. But moving forward, चारू हमें जल्दी से बताइए आखिरी की 2 मूवीज जिसके बारे में आप बताने वाली
So
हैं.
we have one that's upcoming. It's called Black Currency.
Oh,
It
I
is a
like
Hindi drama. It's and a thriller, and it has my favorite actor, Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Who?
No, don't do that.
किसका
I
सिद्दीकी?
am not good with names.
नवाजुद्दीन
Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and we have Manisha Lamba.
You'll be so happy to hear Navzuddin Siddiqui.
Navzuddin.
You know, I think the biggest person who's going to make, who's going to mock me is my husband when I go back home.
Yeah.
He's listening.
He's listening in too.
What's up, Ritesh?
What's up, Ritesh? Hey, Ritesh, have you heard of Navzuddin Siddiqui?
Navzuddin. Navzuddin.
I hate these Leos right now. And Manisha Lamba. Manisha
That's why
Lamba
you
has
married
got.
one.
She was.
That's what I was forced to.
She was forced to marry a Leo, by the way.
Forced to marry.
No, I'm just
No.
kidding. No, Ritesh, I was not forced to marry you.
शादी की फोटो में लग तो नहीं रहा था, फोर्स किया है इसको.
शादी के फोर्स में उल्टा लग रहा था, बेचारे रितेश ऐसे ही खड़ा था, चारों वो स्माइलिंग.
Oh my goodness. So Manisha Lamba has not been in the movies for a very long time.
Yeah.
So I'm glad she's coming back.
Yeah. And I see some good names like these side actors like Payal Rohatgi and Ravi Kishan.
She's a good actor.
Yeah, she's a good actress.
Which movie did she do
पायल
good acting
रोहाट
in?
की but series serial ये वो में आती है पायल रोहाट की.
Which movie did she good
अरे
acting in?
नाम मत पूछो यार, सुन के लो यार. के पढ़ो.
नहीं ताकि मैं देख सकूं. नहीं ताकि मैं तुम्हें जबरदस्ती दिखा सकूं.
So yes, Ravi Kishan. And then Charu, which is the last one that you have for us?
We have something called Shuddhi, which is
Shuddhi.
also it's a romantic Hindi drama, and we have Alia Bhatt, Varun Dhawan, Pankaj Kapoor, sorry, and we have Ashutosh Rana.
Oh, and Girish Karnad.
Girish Karnad too.
Isn't that Karan Johar's movie, Shuddhi?
With Alia Bhatt, maybe could be the Dharma Productions.
should be
Brahma Productions.
So sad.
No, I think
this is bad.
It's unfortunate. I'm sorry, but it's unfortunate.
Yes, but okay, so we have Shuddhi coming up, we have Black Currency, Hera Fairy 3, Raksha Bandhan, Mere Desh Ki Dharti, and in the month of August, guys, we have Gunjan Saxena on Hotstar and Alia Bhatt's Sadak 2. So keep a lookout for these two in August. Of course, जैसे जैसे महीने आगे बढ़ेंगे हम आपको हमेशा याद दिलाते रहेंगे कौन सी मूवी कब आ रही है. But let's get into a song, and when we come back, we will look into or talk about a very famous actor who got married 2 days back or last night and have a Bollywood birthday.
लेकिन इसके पहले हम जाएं, याद रखिएगा अपने स्पाउस को जबरदस्ती मूवीज मत दिखाइएगा.
दुपट्टा अरे लाल दुपट्टा उड़ गया रे तेरा हवा के झोंके से. लाल दुपट्टा उड़ गया रे तेरा हवा के झोंके से. तुझको पिया ने देख लिया हाय रे धोखे से. मना के तुझे दिल देगा वो मगर अपनी जान देगा वो. मना के तुझे दिल देगा वो मगर अपनी जान देगा वो.
Sorry?
Welcome back जी, संदीप जी, चारू जी एंड सुशील जी.
Thank you very much.
तो वैसे तो क्वारंटीन के टाइम में ज्यादा शादियां नहीं हो रही है, राइट? संदीप, हो रही है शादी?
No.
नहीं हो रही है.
Actually, there are people getting married.
Very few.
Yeah.
Very few.
But not with a lot of announcements.
You can do online weddings, no?
No, people are
Zoom
meeting.
weddings.
No, they are
People
having
are
weddings.
meeting, yeah.
50
Yes.
people, 100 people are.
Why did you look
limited
at me
crowd.
and did this and said they're meeting 50 people, 100 people?
I mean, I don't know. So अभी हमें पता चला फोटोज के थ्रू, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया हो या कोई भी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म, दिस एक्टर गॉट मैरिड जस्ट नॉट लास्ट नाइट. I think Friday night, right?
And broke many hearts.
And probably broke many hearts. Not my heart though.
Not mine either. But
यहाँ पे हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन का रेट कम नहीं हो रहा है. इनको आबादी बढ़ाने की पड़ी हुई
नहीं,
है.
लेकिन ये इंडिया की बात है. इंडिया में मे बी हैदराबाद में इनकी शादी हुई है.
Yes, on May 21st.
Yes, and he was a part of one of the biggest movies of the Indian cinema, as if I may call it. And अगर आप Facebook Live में देख रहे हैं, beautiful wife, her name is Mihika, that's right. Mihika. So Sushil, can you guess who this actor is? He's tall and he played the protagonist, the negative role.
Protagonist?
In Bahubali. We'll move on with the word.
Sorry, the antagonist.
Bahubali.
No.
So it's not Prabhas.
No, sorry, not the protagonist, the antagonist in Bahubali.
हाँ, Dugupati.
Rana
Dugupati.
Dagupati.
He's a tall, smart,
He's very tall.
handsome guy.
Very tall.
Right?
वो संदीप भी बता सकता है हैंडसम है नहीं है.
No, he is. I was telling people I thought his looked better than Prabhas in Bahubali. I know a lot of people are going to shout at me. but-
मैं ना तेरे को स्टूडियो से बाहर फेंक दूंगी.
LGBT community is the
I don't
only
know
one who's going to
about
shout at me.
anybody, but she will definitely throw you out.
Yeah.
No, but Prabhas looks so handsome. I saw
I didn't
pictures.
say he didn't. I'm
No,
just
no,
saying his
no.
look-
Even on his wedding, if you are seeing the pictures, look
Why
at the
do I care what Prabhas
decoration.
looks like at his wedding? Honestly.
The Prabhas didn't get married, not at
No,
his
no, no.
wedding.
No,
You're
no,
talking
no.
about Rana's
At
wedding.
Rana's wedding, and even Allu Arjun. My gosh, they actually call him the stylish star, right, Charu?
Yes, they
I
do.
like him.
Yeah.
Bunny, Urf
Bunny.
Bunny.
And even
Yes.
Charan was
His
there.
name is Bunny?
In his nickname is Bunny.
Bunny, like B-U-N-N-Y?
Yes, like B-U-N-M-Y. Bunny.
Bunny, yeah. Bunny, and even Charan was there. I saw.
Yes,
in the
Charan was there. Even Naga Chaitanya was there.
Yes.
हाँ, और you know सबसे बड़ी बात क्या थी उसमें? जो कपड़े पहने थे,
Especially Allu Arjun.
अल्लू अर्जुन के कपड़े थे, वो कहीं और से नहीं, मान्यवर से आए थे.
Exactly.
संदीप जी दिखा बेटा, जरा फोटो दिखा.
वो फोटो वो वाली नहीं है. अभी फिलहाल हम राणा दुग्गपति और
ठीक है,
मिहिका को
आप
देख रहे
कहीं और जाके फोटो देख लीजिए. बट एब्सोल्युटली यस, द स्टाइलिश स्टार ऑफ Hyderabadi movie industry, Allu Arjun, was wearing clothes from none other than Manyavar, which is India's leading celebration wear brand. रणवीर सिंह से लेके आलिया भट्ट से लेके अमिताभ बच्चन तक ने उनके कपड़े पहने हैं और एंडोर्स किए हैं. यस गाइस, दे आर ओपन, दे आर इन हिलक्राफ्ट 5912 हिलक्राफ्ट एवेन्यू. कोई भी ओकेशन हो, राखी से रोका तक, they're open. They have all the accessories and clothes that you require. Like them on Facebook. You can visit them in Manyavar, Houston, and of course they're following all safety guidelines and are being followed strictly. They open 7 days a week from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Namaskar.
तो यस, दैट वाज अबाउट मान्यवर. एंड मान्यवर की बात आई थी शादी से जो हुई अभी राणा दुग्गपति की. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं संदीप अपने एक गाने की तरफ, और फिर आज जल्दी जल्दी करेंगे बॉलीवुड बर्थडेज. ओह,
धड़कन में रहते हो तुम, रहते हो. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, रहते हो. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, रहते हो. मेरी इन सांसों से कहते हो, कहते हो. बाहों में आ जाओ, सपनों में खो जाओ. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, रहते हो.
सर 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 सर.
सो यस, हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे?
You said you were forced. You were forcing yourself to sleep in a fetus position because you have backache.
Feet position.
Baby
Okay.
position, I mean.
Excuse.
चारू इज लाइक कुछ भी बोलता है लड़का हमारा. तो टाइम आ गया है संदीप किसका? बॉलीवुड बर्थडे का.
मैं डर गया, पता नहीं किसका टाइम आ गया. हाँ, चलो करो बेटा. 1 2 3.
ओके, संदीप चालू करेगा.
I don't know this actress, so you gotta.
Oh.
You gotta do it.
Oh, give me hints ना. Guessing हमारा काम है.
Sandeep looked, asked me like, who the hell is this? You've put her on the script. Who the hell is this? Actually, people like her. Don't
Chalo,
worry.
me and Charita will play the guessing one. The
Hello,
answer
mom.
can be guessed.
Now you've joined. What is this after 1-2 hours?
Oh, was she still making pakoras for Monu?
No, she was making something else for another Monu, by the way.
Oh.
So, this actress जिनका बर्थडे आज है, right? August 9. ये है she came as she played opposite this singer who turned into an actor और वो टोपी लगा के आए थे. हाँ, उनकी फर्स्ट मूवी में जो हीरोइन थी.
Oh, अरे वो तो साउथ की हीरोइन हो गई है.
The child actress.
Yes, the child.
She's a Sindhi.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
Very famous child actress.
Yes. वो साउथ में चली गई, हंसिका मोटवानी।
एग्जैक्टली। देखा संदीप, देखा ये देसी लोगों को पता रहता है, हम लोग को नहीं पता रहता,
सीरीज को नहीं
हम जैसे लोगों को नहीं पता रहता, इन लोग को पता रहेगा। सो यस, हंसिका मोटवानी, एंड शी शेयर्स हर बर्थडे विद, नाउ दिस हिज फादर वाज मोर फेमस फॉर हिज जो रोल सुल्तान मूवी में सलमान खान ने प्ले किया था, किस चीज का प्ले किया था, व्हाट वाज ही?
बेचलर।
हाँ,
दारा सिंह।
हाँ, उसका बेटा
विदु विनोद दारा सिंह।
विदु विनोद का आ गया, विनोद नहीं है।
नो, विदु भी नहीं,
विंडू अरे विंदालू विंडू
इंटी उंडू
विंडू भी तो है ना,
विंदु दारा सिंह। सो यस, आज है बर्थडे हंसिका मोटवानी एंड विंदु दारा सिंह का।
यू नो, आई थॉट यू वर गोइंग टू डू एक्सप्रेशन जय श्री राम वाला। That's what you're doing, right?
नहीं। एंड नेक्स्ट जो बर्थडे है, जो कल नहीं 11 तारीख को है, 11 तारीख को। हे प्रसन्ना, she says enjoying the show, good job guys. Hi प्रसन्ना।
उत्तरी प्रसन्ना।
So August 11th, which is Tuesday, है बर्थडे इनका, जिनका अभी गाना संदीप ने बजाया, तुम दिल
शेट्टी,
अभिजीत,
सुनील शेट्टी।
She's right.
सुनील शेट्टी। नहीं, वो तो शाहरुख है। ये धरती मेरी माँ है।
ये धरती मेरी माँ।
अंजलि।
जी हाँ।
अंजलि, ये धरती मेरी माँ है।
तुम मुझे छोड़ के नहीं जा सकती अंजलि।
अंजलि, तुम मुझे भूल जाओ,
ये नहीं हो सकता,
मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं,
ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा।
ये उल्टा बोल दिया है।
I think for his age, he still looks.
Oh, he
Very
is
fit. Oh my
so
goodness.
freaking handsome and smart, dude. Not the first photo, but the last photo that you like right now for his age.
He's amazing.
I wish I can look as good as he looks at that age when I go.
Not
there.
You want to look really?
Muscular like that, really?
I cleared.
I did not know you have aspirations like that in life. You should have told me before I married
Now
you.
I'll be forced to be in your marriage.
Now I'll be forced to live with you like that.
Okay. Moving on, he shares his birthday with जो संदीप की बहुत फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस हैं.
No, this one no.
Oh, you don't like her?
I think she's pretty
Tun-tun.
good.
What nonsense. अच्छा, सलमान खान की one of the actresses हैं जो उनके आजू बाजू.
भाभी you mean?
नहीं.
No.
सलमान खान की एक्ट्रेसेस हैं जो अभी उनके पनवेल वाले फार्म हाउस में भी थी उनके साथ.
जैकली फर्नांडिस.
Jacqueline Fernandez.
तुझे
That's
बड़ा
right.
पता है पनवेल वाले फार्म हाउस के बारे में.
दीना जी नमस्ते, वेलकम.
Oh, I thought Dina ji is the one who told you.
दीना जी कह रही है सुशील और तेरी यू आर सो फनी एंड डोंट मेक फन ऑफ शाहरुख खान. करेक्ट बोला दीना जी आपने.
दीना जी, तो तेरी दीना जी, नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे.
दीना जी, उसे पता है ना हमें शाहरुख पसंद है, तो इसलिए वो मजाक ज्यादा उड़ा रहा है.
शाहरुख नहीं करेंगे.
So yes, let's get into a song and then we will come back and wrap up this Bollywood birthday section.
She has been forced to do that.
Been forced.
She's on a sugar
And
high.
I think I'm gonna force myself outside.
Guys, I am eating this Julie, so I वेलकम बैक जी. सबकी चिट्टियाँ कलाइयाँ ही हैं, अगर नहीं भी हैं तो मान लीजिए आपकी चिट्टियाँ कलाइयाँ. If for people who don't understand Punjabi, चिट्टियाँ कलाइयाँ means गोरी कलाइयाँ. चिट्टियाँ कलाइयाँ वे.
White.
हाँ, तो गोरी और
White hands.
बस जी, गोरी नहीं समझ में आता चारू. बहुत अंग्रेजी आ गई है आपको.
Goro ki na khalo ki. ये दुनिया है दिल वालों की.
दिल वालों की.
The wow key.
But yes, this part of the show and all this masti definitely, and thanks to him for always being there for us and supporting us
Thank you.
from even before Namaste was conceptualized actually. So thank you, Pradeep uncle. And I am talking about Pradeep Sulhan PC, certified public accountant. कंपनी फॉर्मेशन करनी है आपको, टैक्स कंसल्टेशन करनी है, अपने टैक्सेस फाइल करने हैं आपको, जो भी टैक्स स्ट्रेटजीज एनी काइंड ऑफ कंसल्टेशन करनी है, डू रीच आउट टू हिम. He has over 25 years of experience, so that says a lot. 25 साल से वो ये कर रहे हैं, तो उनसे ज़्यादा इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में किसी को नहीं मालूम होगा. तो खुद अपना दिमाग मत लड़ाइए, उन्हें कंसल्ट करिए और जल्दी कॉल करिए at 281-580-8700. Pradeep Sulhan, certified public accountant. So yes, continuing with our Bollywood birthday segment. The next segment is she's a daughter of August 12th है, ये सब Leos हैं. August 12th को है, she's a daughter of famous Bollywood actor and actress.
शक्ति कपूर की बेटी है.
Anya Pandey, I was going to say.
Anya Pandey?
No,
Ananya Pandey.
No, Ananya Pandey.
नहीं चारू, wrong. नहीं.
So parents are actors.
Her father, when her parents got married, her father was probably 13 years younger than her mother.
Oh.
But they got divorced. And
Saif Ali Khan she's talking
now
about.
he's married to a 20-year younger lady.
Saif Ali Khan and Amrita Singh.
Yes.
Saif का calculation थोड़ा
उसकी बेटी का नाम है ना, वो Chiboha the movie she came in.
Yeah.
What's the movie?
Simba.
हाँ.
How can you forget Simba?
Sarah Ali Khan.
Yes,
Sarah Ali Khan. She seems like a very bubbly. I'm always a bigger fan of Sarah than Janvi. Both of them came together. So I like Sarah Ali Khan more. And then August 14th को है, ये बहुत ही फेमस सिंगर हैं जो अब ज्यादा नहीं गाती हैं.
सोनू निगम.
गाती हैं.
श्रेया घोषाल.
श्रेया घोषाल गाती हैं अभी.
गाती है.
उससे भी पहले.
अलका याग्निक.
नहीं, she started singing at a very young age, right?
Oh, Lata Mangeshkar.
Oh my God! Look at that Sarah Ali Khan's picture on Facebook Live.
I cannot see.
Can you see there?
Yeah, I can see the right one. Baap
She
re.
lost a lot of weight. Yes. So the next singer that I'm talking about is she started at a very young age and a very different melody she got to.
Lata Mangeshkar. She started at a very young age.
A different melody altogether.
Hip hop. Thoda.
Hip hop? Hardcore?
Sunidhi Chauhan.
That's right.
How did you guess it?
The Britney. She read it.
Oh.
And she saw the picture.
Yeah, cheating.
She's the Britney Spears of. I mean, at that time they used to say, right?
You female besides Shreya, I think Sunidhi for me is my favorite I've seen live.
Yeah.
She sings well.
She's very
Yes. And she shares her birthday on with this. He was one of the biggest comedian of Indian movies.
Johnny Lever.
He was.
That's right.
I
mean,
he was. क्या? Johnny भाई गए?
He is still.
He's still alive, but
his daughter is taking over
yes,
now.
That's right. and this guy I put over there because I am a big fan of his. He played one of my favorite. I worship this.
Damn,
Worship this god. So he played that god and
Lord
the
Shiva.
most famous
Mohit Rana.
Mohit Rana.
That's right.
Devo ke Dev Mahadev.
And he also played his brother-in-law in the Deep, your favorite movie, Uri.
How's the Josh?
Vicky Kaushal,
right.
yes.
Oh yes, the one who dies.
Yes.
Yes.
So Mohit Rana got short.
Brother-in-law.
Yes.
You're right, brother-in-law.
Mohit Rana became famous after playing Devo ke Dev Mahadev. So yes, his birthday is on August 14 with Sunidhi and Johnny Lever, and the last set of birthdays before we get into a song break and then our top of the hour. A famous singer who, when he got into Bollywood singing, he was probably 400 pounds. But
Adnan Sami has to be only.
That gave it away.
He was only one.
जी हाँ. And ये जो हैं ये इनका नाम लास्ट नेम बड़ा फेमस है. इनकी कजन्स हीरोइने हैं, टॉप नंबर 1 हीरोइने. नहीं,
खान होंगे शायद.
Wrong.
खान्स का हीरोइन.
And he directed Wake Up से और इनकी एक बहुत बड़ी
मुखर्जी, आयान मुखर्जी की बात कर रही है.
That's right. ब्रह्मास्त्र आने वाली है जिसमें हैं
आलिया भट्ट
and Ranbir Kapoor. That's right. So those were our Bollywood birthdays for the week. And Sandeep, एक 30 second ये मेरा favorite गाना तुम लगा ही दो यार. Please.
Forcefully लगाना.
पता नहीं.
आज सब कुछ forcefully करना.
जिथे जावे तू ओथे जावे दिल दस की मैं करूं जो तू रुस जानिए दिल ये टूट जानिए तेरे संग संग राह सारी कट जानिए जो तू रुस जानिए दिल ये टूट जानिए तेरे संग संग राह सारी कट जानिए मैं तां तेरे नाल रहना मान इन्ना मेरा कहना मेरी अखियों से होना कदी दूर ना तेरे बिन नहीं लगदा दिल मेरा ढोलना तेरे बिन नहीं लगदा दिल मेरा ढोलना सब छड़ जाए तू ना मैनू छोड़ना तेरे बिन नहीं लगदा दिल मेरा ढोलना
AM 1050 KCHN, Brookshire, Houston.